And Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding: Damascus, Callicoon, Austin, Jeffersonville, Bethany, Hankins, Hortonville, Stalker, Pembroke, Fosterdale, Roscoe, Ekmanuk, Rutledgedale, Hazel, Livingston Manor, Parksville, Willowamok, Rockland, and Fremont. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route.
All north. Again.
Flash.
What good is a used up world and how could it be?
Are you serious, Binghamton? You done messed up. To